Hey everybody, Chef Ted Reeder here, the Joint Barbecue and Catering. And we're doing a catering function today here at Toyota Canada. It's their Customer Month Appreciation, and we've come in to cook a lunch for their crew here at the yard. You can see all kinds of Toyotas out there and over there. And it's Toyota land here, and I own a Tundra, so I'm pretty excited about when I get to cook for people at Toyota, because I love my Tundra. 488,324 kilometers on her. We're going to 500,000. So we're here. I got John on this side. My buddy Chef Rob Butler has just joined the crew. Rob used to be with Horn Dogs Barbecue and is a barbecue guru himself. Super pit master, and I'm excited to have him on board working with me and my crew.
Old, 80 years in the kitchen between the two of us. That's old.
That's old, yeah.
That's old. The whole staff doesn't add up to 80 years old. It's all downhill after 30.
It is, it's all downhill after 30, young kids.
You think you're getting used to it, then when you hit 40, it gets even worse.
Yeah, it just goes downhill real fast. 50, starts to plummet.
Slalom.
Next year I'm hitting 60. You know what that means? The hill just became a sheet of ice.
And then you hit the ramp at the bottom of the hill.
That's it, and you break your hip. Then they got to replace your hip.
And then you walk funny for a year, so they have to replace the other one.
Yeah.
Because you compensated for the other one. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
It's a whole thing.
It's gonna be great. Yeah, I'm not looking forward to getting older. That's why I keep cooking. So today's burgers, simple, all house-made. Beef burgers, chicken burgers, veggie burgers, lots of toppings and a good time. Coming off our cowboy cauldrons, which are fired up for charcoal, and we're making fries. This is a burger. It's just a burger. It's 100% pure beef. It's made from ground chuck and ground brisket, and we form them, we grind it in-house, we form them, and we make them, we grill them. They're tasty. And you can put whatever you want on them.
Okay folks, here we go. We got a nice toasted potato bun. We got a 50% chuck, 50% ground brisket burger. We're gonna put some grilled portobello mushrooms, some grilled zucchini, and some sauteed onions. A nice mixture here. Look at that. Come over here, gonna add just a little bit of cheese right on top. Put that hot bun on top. It'll melt the cheese nicely. Gonna come over here, few fries, nice, fresh, and crispy. Done right over here on the cauldron. Ted Reeder's steak seasoning on the fries. That'd be her.
It'd be tasty.
Cheers, folks.